Get it. This for Breon. Hey. This for Breon. Hey. This for Breon. Oh. This for Breon. Can I lie? Can I lie? You on my mind. You on my mind. Like all the time. Like all the time. Like all the time. Like all the time. This for my squad. This for my squad. This for my squad. This for my squad. This for my niggas. This for my niggas. You still alive. You still alive. This for Breon. 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 Hey. Get it. Hey. This for Breon. This for Breon. Hey. Hey. It's for Breon.
What's good, YouTube? It's your girl Brittany, and I'm back with another video. Today's video is sponsored by Heimvision Wake Up Light Alarm Clock. I think this is super cool for Brad, for the simple fact Bradley was so excited about this. She knew what it was before I even took it out the box. She was like, oh, that's an alarm clock. So I'm excited to see what this does and, you know, show her. So right now I'm about to tell y'all all of the, you know, the things that it does, and I'm about to tell y'all a little about it. And then, you know, after the video is over, I'm gonna have the link down below, and I want y'all to go, you know, go purchase it. If y'all like it, go purchase it. I know I'm gonna like it. I just feel like I would. It's just something so cool, so cute. But let me tell you about it. It's a dual alarm. It's a bedside light. So you know how you have like a night light? You can set it like right on the nightstand or something like that. So it's like a little light, a night light. And then it has the snooze mode. It has the sunrise stimulation. So when the sun rises, it's gonna, like, the color is gonna, like, y'all know, it's gonna stimulate right with the sun. It's sleep aid, and it has a radio on it. Cool. I'm about to open this. It's so cute. Brad was so excited when she saw y'all. She was like, this is an alarm clock. Package super good. Okay. You gotta see how we work this, okay? I'll read the manual. They have safety instructions in here, as well as maintenance and care in here. Looks like my camera is about to die, so I'm gonna have to change the battery. It does come with a USB cable and adapter and some stands to put underneath it. So we're just about to put this together, and I'm gonna show y'all how it goes. So cute. Little and cute. It's showing you everything, how to do it. Let me put this together. USB and adapter. Hold up, y'all. Plug that right on in. Plug this right on in. Kind of, so it's made like an Android. Like an Android. I honestly don't know what these little wires are for. Oh, you gotta take this out too, y'all. So you can start. You know, the little. Ain't that cute? Let me put these up. Put a stand. Give you 4 of them, so you know, just in case. I just throw a stand. Hold up. Is it upside down? Hold up. You got the different settings that you could. Oh, this is where you play the music at. Let me turn it off. Q93. Do they have Q93? Let me see how this goes. Where y'all the music? I gotta get the hang of this music station stuff. Okay, so what is this? Auto. Okay, you could put it on auto, like for the sunrise and stuff like that. Then also, this the moonlight. Oh, it makes the sleeping sound. I hear the sleeping sound. I know I'm gonna be falling asleep playing around with this bad boy. Y'all hear it? So if you put it on the moon, it's gonna make that sound. You could press it off, and then it's gonna turn back to this. But then if you turn it on, I'm gonna be so tired playing around with this thing. Okay, so what is this for? I'm not sure what this is for. Let me try this first. Oh, okay, that's the volume. That's the volume. Now what is this one for? Okay, so when you want just the light, you could use this one. So you could turn it off and on. So when you want just the light, you could press this middle button. I'm figuring it out. Okay, this is the alarm clock. So I just set an alarm for 2 p.m. Then I turned it off. Then you can turn it back on. Then you turn it back off. I gotta fix the timer on here though. This is another alarm. It's blinking. Let me see what this says over here. Wait, let me press the middle. Okay, just the lighting. Different color lights. Let me see. Tell you how you could do it brighter, or you can do it lower. Go down, go down, go down, go down. So you know, it's just a different color settings. It's the way that you sleep. So I probably sleep with something like this, and then I'll just like put it on auto. So in the morning time, when morning comes, it'll get brighter. So you know, to wake you up. This is pretty cool. I really like it. I just really need to get the hang of how to work this radio part, because I really like this. I need to do Q93 though. Oh, I think I'm doing it. Yeah. I hope y'all like this video, and I hope y'all go buy it. This is super cool. It's a must-have. I really must say that I really like this. I think it's gonna be pretty cool to help me wake up in the morning and stuff, and it'll help me sleep at night too. I really love this sound right here. Just gives me everything. I can feel myself falling asleep now. But yeah, y'all go purchase it. It's by Heimvision. Y'all go purchase it. It's by Heimvision. With more to say, it's a wake up alarm clock. So I'll see y'all in my next video. Peace. We out.
I see your face. And shout out to my sister Lil Breon. All she really